Okay, after we finish the bank phase for the end tweet, this is for the continuation. So we're done with that. All we need to do is to, what you call this one, make a try to find this difference. So for this, we don't have a transaction for QuickBooks before June. So this one is not really for June. So we need to uncategorize this one as asset. It's not for QuickBooks end tweet. And also this, I'm not sure if this is for the QuickBooks. It's not cleared from there. Let's try. There's 625 to 5. There's none. Okay, so what do we do now is, because this is just an entry, we can delete this one. It's not. Let's try to find if there's another transaction like that. If other than that, there's none. So we can delete this. Okay, then yeah, so there are some unchecked, so I'm not sure why is it that these are here. Okay, now let's try to eliminate this unclear transactions in here one by one. Example, this one, this is an 8388, this is 8388, and there are transactions in here, but there's no similar. So I think this is not cleared. So we can delete this one anyway. It's not linked with the other transactions. Okay, and for like this is 500, 612 the date. Let's try to find 612. So there's another 500 in here, but I'm not sure. Let's try if this is linked with the other account. If that is linked, so let's try to recategorize this to uncategorize. So this is what I'm saying. Okay, I need to reconcile again. I'm telling that this should not be recorded in this way. So I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so I try to record a deleted account, and in order to trace the deleted, okay, 2023. Okay, so that we can correct, we can make correction for this. So I'll try to make sure of this. Good. Okay, so there it is. I paste it here. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and make an entry to 3528. So going back to the I'll make an entry for the 3528. So I think I have to go back to the transactions 3528. That's why I don't like that way of recording, because we cannot select and categorize. So let's go back 3528. There are a lot of transactions that are not yet categorized in here. So this one that we have deleted, right? The 612. Yeah, 612. So this one should be 612. So this one should be put as uncategorized. Okay. 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 So that. Okay. Then this is another payment, and this should not be on QuickBooks. So let's put this as uncategorized, but first maybe this is for the other account. So let's try to find if there are other transactions that are not in here. So there's another transactions. So this is what we have. Okay, but there's another transaction, so that is 612, right, in here. Okay, so 3763. Okay, so this should be supposedly for this. So it must be 3763. So this must be 3763. Okay, I think we need to delete this one. Okay, just meanwhile, just put this to uncategorized. Okay, there's some conflicting transactions. Okay, also, okay, so let's try to refresh. Okay, try to find, so they're already eliminated. So this one is not, these are not in QuickBooks. Okay, so they must be on the other category, 650. So this is 611. There's no other transaction in that. Now, uncategorized asset. So try to put that to uncategorized asset. Let's deal that later. And also these deposits that were that are not. Instead of uncategorized, change that. Okay, uncategorized the lang. Here for undeposited funds, you can do that. Okay, this one also. This is deposit to that, so there's something wrong with this. Meanwhile, change that to undeposited, uncategorized asset. Oh no, oh my god, what is happening? There's no uncategorized. Okay. Okay, let's put this meanwhile to, for this case, to uncategorized deposits and uncleared deposits. Bank deposits. Let's put a temporary account in this. Temporary. Okay. Meanwhile. So close. Okay, let's fix. We are going to fix that one later on. And this one is, yeah, this one is for uncategorized asset. Okay, that's it. And the rest, this is a recording bank charges. It's not cleared. Try to check if it's somewhere for, yeah, there's no other transactions, fees, but there's no fees in here. And this, what's that? 1670. Okay, so nothing we can find that one. We can delete this one. That's a bank charges. They're making an entry like that. Okay, so for the difference, we are going to find each of this. Okay, why is it that we have a lot of differences in here? So you see there are some transactions in here that not, oh, why is it that it's not cleared? Okay, let's try to refresh. But anyway, let's try to take it one by one if they are in the bank statement or not. Let's go first to the deposit. Okay. Oh no, we will not that approach. Let's take it all. Okay. Here we have 785. So 785. Check. Okay. Okay, there are several transactions that need to be cleared in here. For instance, this 3997 transfer to SEP. So it means to say to SEP. We have SEP account in here. That is checking account. Which SEP is this? Okay, we have SEP 6730 in here. So this probably transferred to that. Okay, so let's try to find this from here. Search, then the advance, the amount. Okay, that's it. There's an existing transfer, and this is already matched with the Quickbooks account. So, but there's another transfer that is out from Quickbooks. This particular transfer is to Quickbooks. Okay, so I think this one is not a transfer. This is what I'm talking about. This is from transfer 3763. Transfer to Quickbooks. Okay, and yeah, that is the 3763. Okay, from the Amex. Okay, so for this, let's try to temporarily record this one as a transfer to uncategorized asset, because we don't have other transactions. Actually, when you try to search this, there's only one, and that is already matched in Quickbooks. So let's have this transfer from Quickbooks checking account to uncategorized asset. This dated 15, that amount, put that transfer to SEP, and this is the amount in here. Okay, that, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so we're done with that. This is transfer in, so it's not traced in here. It's 609, so we need to find if there's an existing transaction for that. Yeah,